Good morning, children. Good morning, all my dear 5th class students. How are you all? I hope you are very fine. You are doing well. Are you listening the lessons? If you did not understand at a time, you have to see the video one more time and take your parents' help to understand, children. Okay? What is the name of lesson number 3? Skeletal and muscular system. What is the skeletal system made of? Skeletal system made up of bones. Come on, touch your knuckles. Touch your knuckles and touch your wrist. Okay, touch your elbow. How do you feel? You feel something hard. These hard parts are called, once recall, these hard parts are called bones. So skeletal system is made up of bones. How many bones are there in our body? There are 206 bones in our body. Right? Newborn baby has more than 300 bones. As the baby grows, some of the bones fuse together. Okay? What is the skeletal system made up of? Bones. How many bones are there? 206. How many parts it has? Skull, yes, rib cage, okay, and a backbone and arms. Means arms and legs together are called limbs. These are all the important part of the skeleton. Okay, skull, okay, rib cage and backbone and limbs. Okay, already this topic completed, no? Okay, muscular system. Now we are going to learn about the muscular system. Okay, muscular system is made up of muscles. Come on, touch your upper arm, upper arm. See, touch these parts. Touch lower arm. Okay, touch these parts. Touch these cheeks. Touch your thigh, upper leg like this. Okay, and lower leg. Okay, how do you feel, ma? Do you feel something hard or smooth? How do you feel? You feel something smooth. Yes, children, these smooth parts are called muscles. So hard parts are called bones and smooth parts and fleshy parts are called muscles. Is it clear? Skeletal system is made up of bones. Like that, muscular system is made up of muscles. How many muscles are there in our body? Do you know? You don't know. Okay, more than 640 muscles in our body. So, muscular system is made up of muscles. Okay, muscles. How many are there in our body? Okay, more than 640 muscles in our body. Okay, children, we have muscles. We have more than 640 muscles. Okay, now, so we have muscles all over the body. Okay, is it clear? What are muscles made of? Muscles are made of tough elastic tissues. Muscles are made of tough elastic tissues called muscles. Is it clear? Muscles are tough elastic tissues. Bones cannot move by themselves. They need something to move. So, muscles are attached to the bone. Okay, now come on, touch your elbow. These hard parts are called bones. Touch this part, lower arm, this fleshy part. Yes, children, this is the fleshy part, smooth part. This smooth part attached to the hard part. That means smooth parts are called muscles, hard parts are called bones. So these smooth parts attached to the bones. Is it clear? So smooth parts are called muscles. Muscles are attached to the bones. So muscles are attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. I will show you picture. What are called tendons? Ligaments means, Okay, you don't know ligaments. Already I said previous class. Once recall, ligaments means each joint. We have many joints in our body, no children. What is a joint? Once recall, Nana. What is a joint? Okay, two separate bones meet at one place is called a joint. No, two separate bones. Two separate bones meet at one place is called a joint. There are number of joints in our body. Wrist, near the fingers, elbow, shoulder. That's why we can move our hands up and down, okay, in all directions, okay na. And near the neck joint is there, shoulder joint is there, finger joint is there, okay, and knee and ankles and toes, okay, there are more joints in our body. Okay, each joint more ligaments are there. Ligament means what? Bones are held together by strong tissue is called ligament. What is called tendon? Tendon means muscle is attached to the bones, no children. But this muscle is attached to the bone by strong fibers called tendons. I will show you pictures. Okay, see here. See here. Yes, first ligament. See here, each joint, see here, this is the joint in between bones. So bones are held together by strong tissues are called, this one is the, yes, this one is the ligament. Okay children, is it clear? Okay, in between two bones, this strong tissue is called the, okay, ligament. Is it clear? Ligament is a strong band of tissue. Okay, ligament is a strong band. Is it clear? This is the ligament. In between two bones, strong tissues are strong band of tissue is there, that is called ligament. Is it clear? So ligament is a strong band of tissue that holds the two bones together without stretching. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear? No? Yes. So see here. So ligament is a strong band of tissue that holds the two bones, together without stretching. So this is called a ligament. What is called tendon, amma? See here, see this picture. Muscles are attached to the bone. Muscles are attached to the bone by strong fibers. Cord-like structure is there here. See here. This is called a tendon. Is it clear? The difference between tendon and ligament? Ligament means bones are held together by strong tissue is called a ligament. Is it clear? Ligament is a strong band of tissue that holds the two bones together without stretching. Is it clear? Okay, and see here, tendon means muscle is attached to the bone by cord-like structure. Okay, this is called the tendon. Is it clear? Okay, see here. See here. Yes, very clear. This is the tendon. It is very clear. Yes. Muscle. This is red color part is muscle. This is the bone. Yes, this is the bone. Okay. So muscle is attached to the bone by cord-like structure. Okay. This is called the tendon. I hope it is very clear. Yes, children. This is the muscle, this is the muscle. Muscles always work in pairs. Okay na? Muscles always work in pairs. This is the bicep muscle, this is the tricep muscle. Okay, bicep, tricep. Muscles always work in pairs, but muscles attached to the bone by cord-like structure. This is called a tendon. Yes. Is it clear? Yes, children. Ligament means bones are held together by strong tissue is called the ligament. Each joint more ligaments are present, but muscle is attached to the bone by one cord-like structure. Strong fibers, tissues are there. Okay, that is called tendon. Is it clear? Ligament and tendon. Ligaments are present in between the joints, in the joint, near the joints, in between two bones. So bones are held together by strong tissues are called ligaments. But tendon means muscle is attached to the bones by strong fibers called tendons. Is it clear? Ligament and tendon, don't confuse. Okay. All the joints, there are number of joints in our body. Okay, each joint more ligaments are present. Is it clear? Ask your mother or father what is a ligament. Okay, na? Bones are held together by strong tissue is called the ligament. Muscle is attached to the bone. Muscle is attached to the bone by cord-like structure, by strong fibers called the tendons. Is it clear? Okay, coming to the lesson. Muscles are there are 640 muscles in our body. Okay, we have muscles all over the body. This is the muscular system. See how are the muscles? See here, this is the muscular system. We have muscles all over the body, amma. Okay, there are 640 muscles in our body. See here, is it clear? Okay, our face and neck contain about 1/4 of the muscles in our body. Okay, so to hold something in your hand, the muscles and bones of your fingers have to move. Bones cannot move by themselves. They need something to move. This is the muscular system, this picture. Is it clear? Okay, all these are all the muscles. Okay, so see here, muscles are attached to the bones. Okay, with the help of strong tough tissues called tendons. Okay, so muscles pull and relax in order to make the bones move. They usually work in pairs. One muscle contract while the opposite muscle relax. Okay na? So muscles always work in pairs. One muscle take contraction position while the opposite muscle take relaxation position. Okay children, this is the muscular system. Okay, muscular system is made up of muscles. How many muscles are there in our body? There are more than 640 muscles in our body. Okay now, what are the different types of muscles in our body? Okay now, so types of muscles. See here, types of muscles. There are 3 types of muscles in our body. They are voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles. Straighted muscles. Okay now, what are the 3 types of muscles, amma? Voluntary muscles or skeletal muscles. Involuntary muscles are smooth muscles and cardiac muscles. These are all the 3 types of muscles. What are called voluntary muscles? Okay now, these are straighted muscles, amma. Okay now, what are the example? Where did you find the voluntary muscles, amma? Okay na, so the muscles that are under our control. So the muscles which are under our control are called voluntary muscles. Is it clear? Okay na, if you want to move, if you want to raise your hand for pick up something, okay, to hold something, it is your wish. If you want to run, okay, if you want to run, it is your wish. Okay, if you want to kick the football with your leg, it is your wish. If you want to write something on the board with the help of fingers, it is your wish. Okay na? So the muscles which are under our control, those are called voluntary muscles. Where did you find the voluntary muscles? Neck, arms, legs, okay na, tongue, eyes. We find the voluntary muscles in these parts. Arms, okay, if you want to raise your hands, your wish, okay na, and tongue and neck, okay na, and legs. Okay, is it clear? Voluntary muscles mean the muscles which are under our control are called voluntary muscles. Okay na. And involuntary muscles means the muscles which are not under our control. Where do you find the involuntary muscles? Food pipe, the walls of the food pipe, okay, and also stomach and intestine. These are, okay, these organs are made up of involuntary muscles. These are not at all under our control. They are automatically, okay na. They keep on working throughout their lifetime. The walls of the blood vessels, walls of the food pipe, walls of the stomach, they keeps on working throughout their lifetime. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, so third one is the cardiac muscles. The heart is made up of cardiac muscles, amma. Okay, na. But those muscles are very tough, very special kind of muscles. Though heart walls are made up of cardiac muscles. Okay, and involuntary nature, but the structure is voluntary. Heart muscle, cardiac muscles also involuntary. Okay, they keep on working throughout their lifetime. They do not take any rest. They do not get tired. Okay, is it clear? Okay, I come again. Muscles are, there are 640 muscles in our body. Muscles are made up of tough elastic tissues. Okay, and our body weight, 40% of our body weight is made up of muscles. Okay, we have muscles all over the body. Bones cannot move by themselves. They need something to move. So bones and muscles work together with coordination. Then only we can move our body parts. Is it clear? What are the different types of muscles? Okay, there are three types: voluntary muscles, involuntary muscles, and cardiac muscles. What are called voluntary muscles, amma? Okay, the muscles which are under our control are called voluntary muscles. These are found in the arms, legs, okay, and eyes and tongue and neck. Okay, na. So if you want to, your wish, if you want to raise your hand, if you want to kick the football with your leg, if you want to write something with your hand, okay, if you want to move your neck, it is your wish. These are under our control. Is it clear? Okay, what is the next one? Involuntary muscles, also called smooth muscles. These are unstraighted muscles. Okay, na. So see the picture, unstraighted muscles. These are straighted muscles. These are unstraighted muscles. These are not under our control. The muscles which are not under our control are called involuntary muscles. Where do you find the involuntary muscle? The walls of the food pipe, the walls of the stomach, the walls of the kidneys, and also intestines. All these are not under our control. They keep on working. They are working like automatically. Okay, na. So these are involuntary muscles. Okay, na. What is the third one? Cardiac muscles. Our heart muscles are made of cardiac muscles. Okay, children. Okay, these are very tough kind of muscles, amma. Okay, and heart muscles are nature. Nature is involuntary. Actually, those are the involuntary muscles. They do not take any rest. They do not get tired. They keeps on working automatically throughout their lifetime. Is it clear? That's why, okay, heart muscles are very special kind of, okay, tough muscles called cardiac muscles. Cardiologist, the person who treat about the heart, that person is called cardiologist. So our heart is made up of cardiac muscles. They work, okay, the nature is involuntary, but structure is voluntary. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, children, bye. Take care. చూడొచ్చు